pump on. And now we have water even though the pump didn't. Oh.
Last week we ended on a small cliffhanger. Sometimes it seems like we're always fixing something.
So we ended last week on a little bit of a cliffhanger. I mean, nothing really big, but something happened to the RV. Our RVs are put together kind of on the lowest bid.
Some Arizona winter weather has rolled in. That would be a cold rain for us.
One of the things I wanted to show you was this.
It's Taco Tuesday.
That's supposed to have a hellacious camera system. So we ended last week on a little bit of a cliffhanger. I mean, nothing really big, but something happened to the RV. While I was opening the door to get to the valves to open the tanks, and switch back over to tank water, or to city water, I had just started to close the basement door when it just kind of fell off in my hands. I almost said something kind of bad, but I didn't. Hopefully. I don't think I did. I'll go back and review the video. But it turned out that something broke. The hinge. Unreal. I'll show you what happened here in just a minute. Now, as you know by now, hopefully, that our RVs are put together kind of on the lowest bid. They've got to make money too. And they're trying to cut weight constantly. And they cut it in some of the strangest places. The one that's affecting us at this moment is the hinges. They're made out of aluminum, at least the hinge part itself. But the pins, why would they cheap out on that? Here, let me show you. So this one hasn't broken yet. Nor down there. But this is what broke on me. And you notice now there's a stainless steel pin replacing the hinge pin that was original in it on both sides. One of the things I wanted to show you is this. It's that hinge pin that came off of the good side, the part that held, and that I replaced. This is nothing but plastic. Why would you cheap out on something like this that if it comes off could really ruin somebody's day on the freeway? Well, the one door has been fixed. I've still got 3 others that I need to replace. And the stainless steel ones at Ace, they're about $12 for 2 of them. I gotta find a better supplier. Look at that beautiful day. Gray and white, beautiful puffy clouds. It rained good last night.
Yeah, it's been raining for a few days now. Hey, it's the Sonoran Desert, so it doesn't stay wet for long. Insiders, it's so great to see you all here every week. A point of interest for folks who are sitting on the fence of becoming an insider. You could be getting early access and no commercials, as well as a nice piece of swag by signing up on Patreon. Just saying. Oh look, the parts truck is here.
Can anyone guess what today is? It's Ash Wednesday. I'm headed back home to fix Mama and Grizzy something to eat. Talk to you guys in a bit. Now, one of the things I'm going to take care of is that Shelly had some problems with that shutoff valve with the black tank, and it's been a little difficult for me as well. So we've ordered a new one. You can see it's got the little spin-on locking piece, like a standard sewer hose fitting, and then another piece on the other side. And this is to just block the flow of anything from the tanks coming out while you're traveling or before you're ready for it to happen, because there's a lot of plumbing back there that goes up into the black and the gray tank. And it'll just be nice to be able to grab it and have it open. Nice and easy. And close. Nice and easy. Just like that. It won't take much, it's easy, but we have decided to wait until we're about ready to move, which is in another week and a half or so. The reason for that is once we're done, there are dumpsters here at this park. We'll take that old valve and all the old fittings that we're going to replace, and we'll just pitch them into the dumpster here. That way when we set up at the new park again, we'll have brand new stuff, so we won't have to worry about it. Make everything last a little bit longer and give us a nicer look to the dark side of the RV, so to say, the smelly side, whatever you want to call it. Riz and I are sitting out today relaxing, and it is blustery cold for Arizona, and there's been some rain, so we'll see how we're doing. I want to thank you guys for being here and watching this. And by the way, for those of you that are traveling, our friends that are leaving, our neighbors here right now, please travel safe. Oh yeah.
Chris and Paul stopped by the lodge to take advantage of Taco Tuesday. I'm pretty sure they both ate their fill. We hope to see you all again next week.